Jio Mobility Plans. Dear PayPoint partner, kindly log into PayPoint POS. Then go to Services, go to Recharge section and click on Jio icon. Kindly follow the below steps for SKYC lead generation. Step 1. Select Jio SIM icon. Step 2. Enter name and phone number of customer. Enter retailer phone number in case customer cannot do SKYC journey from his or her phone. Step 3. Click on Generate Lead and SMS is sent on entered phone number. Step 4. Customer or retailer can click on the link shared via SMS to start the SKYC journey. SKYC journey can be completed by customer. In case customer needs assistance, kindly guide the customer for SKYC steps. Language can be changed from A icon highlighted in red color. Kindly follow the below steps for SKYC journey. Step 1. Enter customer mobile number. Ensure only customer mobile number is entered here. Enter name of customer and enter delivery address PIN code and click on Proceed. Step 2. Enter OTP sent on mobile number entered in Step 1 and click on Submit. Step 3. Enter Aadhaar number of customer and click on Proceed. Step 4. Enter OTP sent on mobile number linked to Aadhaar number entered in Step 3 and click on Submit. Step 5. Click on Continue to proceed. Step 6. In case father name information is not visible, kindly enter father's name and click on Update. Step 7. Click on Capture to capture customer's live photo. Step 8. Ensure customer's face is in circle and click on camera icon once the circle turns to green. Ensure there are not multiple faces in the frame. Eyes are open and face is not covered while clicking photo and video. Step 9. Click on tick mark icon to save the photo. Step 10. Once live photo is saved, it shows green tick mark. Now click on Capture Live Video. Step 11. Kindly ensure following for customer live video. Customer face should be in circle. Click on camera icon once circle turns green. Customer should be in same position for 3 seconds. Step 12. Click on tick mark. Step 13. Click on Continue. Step 13. Customer can select options as per preference. Physical SIM in case physical SIM is required, else select eSIM option. By buying a new Jio number option in case new number is required, else select by porting my number to Jio. Prepaid plan or postpaid plan as per customer preference. Step 14. Select plan of customer's preference. 349 is recommended as it provides unlimited 5G data. Step 15. Enter delivery address where SIM is to be delivered. Step 16. Click on Pay Now and pay via multiple option: UPI, credit card or debit card or net banking. Step 17. Final screen will be visible with allocated mobile number, order reference number ORN, which can be used for tracking status of SIM delivery later on. Additional steps in case customer Aadhaar is from different state than delivery address. Outstation customer. Example, customer address on Aadhaar is from Bihar and SIM delivery is in Maharashtra. Additional information is required as below. Step 18. Enter local person's number and mobile number and click on Continue. Local reference should be in the same state as your SIM delivery location. Step 19. Enter local person's address and click on Continue. Step 20. OTP will be sent to mobile number of local contact which needs to be entered for validation and click on Verify. In case porting my number to Jio, MNP option is selected. Step 21. If customer selects by porting my number to Jio, click on Enter UPC details. Step 22. To generate UPC code, customer needs to follow the below steps. Send SMS PORT space mobile number to 1900. customer will receive UPC code from 1901. UPC code is valid for 4 days and needs to be entered in UPC details. Step 23. Enter mobile number, UPC code, UPC generation date, previous service provider and previous connection type. In case eSIM option is selected, follow below steps. Step 24. Enter EID. To check EID, go to Phone Settings, About Phone, Status. Step 25. Enter IMEI. To check IMEI, dial *#06# from mobile. Step 26. Enter email ID. Order creation SMS. Customer will receive SMS post the order creation with order reference number, that is ORN, which can be used for tracking SIM delivery. Customer will receive the customer care email ID, care@jio.com, which can be used for tracking SIM delivery using ORN. Physical SIM delivery schedule SMS. Customer will receive details of agent name and mobile number for tracking Jio SIM delivery status. Customer can call to schedule or reschedule the appointment for delivery. Physical SIM delivery OTP SMS. Customer will receive SMS for OTP, which needs to be shared with agent for SIM delivery after physical SIM receipt. SMS contains details of activating new Jio number by calling 1800-890-1977. Customer or retailer can call 1800-894-9999 for tracking SIM delivery using ORN or go to link https://www.jio.com/selfcare/track-orders for tracking. He has two options, either enter mobile number used for SKYC journey or ORN number. He can get details of delivery status using same. Jio agent will deliver SIM to customer free of cost. Tele-verification needs to be done by calling on 1800-890-1977 from registered mobile number used during SKYC. Customer needs to enter new Jio number and last 6 digits of SIM number mentioned on SIM jacket. Alternatively, if outgoing call is not available on registered mobile used during SKYC, then customer can also send hi on 70000 on WhatsApp from registered mobile number and follow easy steps. Post tele-verification, SIM will be activated and retailer will get commission for same. Terms and conditions applied. Post SIM delivery, customer will receive a delivery confirmation SMS prompting to activate the SIM if it is not activated. Successful activation SMS. Post successful activation, customer will receive the successful activation SMS with other details related to usage of SIM. Thank you.